I'm a medical student, so I will show lots of things about it. And currently, I'm living in the Philippines. Hello, guys. So we are going to unboxing the microphone Hollyland Lark M2. So now we are going to unboxing this, and we order it on TikTok. So let's see how is it, because we need the microphone, and I think it's a good in this budget, because lots of things inside this, lots of features like noise cancellation. It's important. So let's unbox this and check the. Now we are not using any microphone, so you can see the lots of noise for my aircon and other stuff, right? Let's see after microphone, it will be better, I hope. So let's see what is inside the box. It's a manual, we will check it later. This is the box. So with the okay, yeah, it looks good, amazing. It look like a earbuds. Let's see. So we are unboxing this pouch, and let's see what's inside. So this is the cable. It's a type C, because we need type C for our phone, Android phone, and that's it. So you can see it's a I saw some videos on TikTok and YouTube also, so I think it's the the locket. You can use it on your neck. This one, yeah, yep. And there are two. Okay. And what is this inside this? Oh, it's for noise cancellation. Both. It's good. So let's check the after we using this receiver, how is the change of voice before and after? What is the difference? So you can see the guys, there is a two mic and one receiver, and this receiver is type C, okay, because for my phone it needed the type C. And what is the use of this? It's very small, okay, you can see. And this is the mic, and this is the turn off and turn on button, okay. And it's this magnet is very useful. You can put it anywhere, like here. It's better, right? And what will be my favorite? I will use on this. You can see, you just do it this, and it will be better, like for your travel vlog and etc. If you go outside, you don't need to hold it like this, just remove it, okay. And it's better, it's small and good. So let's connect with my phone, and let's check the voice. Okay guys, let's go. So now we are connected to the phone, And let's see the noise. Okay, the voice, the first without noise cancellation and second with noise cancellation. I think it's better. I already see this. I already listened the voice. See, and now it will be changed. Now my voice is changed, right? It's no noise from the background. So guys, you can use this when you are outside and lots of people in crowd. So it's better, I think. And for vloggers, it's good. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and be with me for my journey. I'll start from here, and let's see. I'm a medical student, so I will show lots of things about it. And currently I'm living in the Philippines. I'm Indian. Let's see about uh, the daily vlog and so many other stuff. Okay, thank you guys for watching.